Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to cancel TSN subscription on mobile. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to open the TSN app, launch the TSN app on your mobile device and log in into your account. The following step is to access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or menu usually located in the top corner to access your account settings. The third step is to select subscription. Look for the subscription or manage subscription option within the account settings. Then you have to initiate the cancellation. Follow the prompts to initiate the cancellation of your subscription. You may need to confirm your choice. The last step is to confirm cancellation. Review the cancellation confirmation message and ensure your subscription is cancelled. You may receive a confirmation email as well. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.